Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to make a milkshake. So things you'll be needing is sugar, a glass of water, ice, milk and one chocolate biscuit, or you can add many, and a jar of the mixer grinder. So first we'll put the ice and then the water. You need a bit of water and then the biscuit and the milk. Now put the sugar. Now close it with this. Now fit it in the mixer grinder. Now you have to grind it. Now start. Now take it off and that's your milkshake done. Now let's test it. So now I'm going to test this milkshake. Okay, so it's good, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Like and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and comment down below. Meet you in the next video.